In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a basic funnel in Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple funnel set up and ready for you to start customizing and using in your marketing. Let's start from inside your Go High Level account. Once you're logged in and you're on your main location dashboard, look for the main menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Sites. Go ahead and click on Sites. This is where Go High Level keeps all of your websites, funnels, and related assets. So anytime you're working on pages or funnels, this is the area you'll come back to. After you click Sites, you'll notice several tabs or sections across the top or side, depending on your layout. Find the one called Funnels and click on it. This will open your funnel dashboard. If you've created funnels before, you'll see them listed here. If this is your first time, the page might look pretty empty, and that's totally fine. Now, look for a button that says New Funnel or Plus New Funnel. This is usually located near the top right of the funnel dashboard. Click that button to start creating your basic funnel. When you do this, Go High Level will open a setup window or panel. Here, you'll need to fill in some basic details for your funnel. Start by giving your funnel a clear descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. Something like Test Lead Capture Funnel or Webinar Sign Up Funnel. You may also see optional fields for things like a description, a group or folder, or tags. While not required, adding a short description and organizing your funnel into a group can really help keep things tidy as you create more assets. Once those details are filled in, confirm or save to move forward. At this point, Go High Level will guide you with on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts carefully. They might walk you through choosing a starting template, adding your first funnel step, or editing your first page. Take a moment to read each message before clicking next. If you're given template options, pick a simple one that matches your goal, such as a basic opt-in page. From here, you can continue following the built-in guidance to add more steps or customize your pages. That's all you need to create a basic funnel structure in Go High Level and get ready for deeper customization.